So, in case of an emergency, like a big leak or anything like that, the first thing you want to do is to turn your water off. And to do this, you need to locate your stop tap. The easiest way to locate your stop tap is to first locate your water meter outside, which is normally a square with a circle inside of it that says water. As soon as you find that, the stop tap should be around about a meter away from your meter. So when you've located your stop tap, 99% of the times your stop tap is normally underneath your sink, but in this case it comes up just here. So the first thing you want to do is to turn it to your right or clockwise all the way around until it stops there. So the next thing you want to do is to go round to your kitchen or flush your toilet and just turn on your taps and stuff like that, just to make sure that there's no water coming out and just to let all the excess water just to escape from the tap. So when you want to turn your water back on, just turn it anti-clockwise all the way back round, but it's always good to remember to leave it a quarter turn shut. This stops it from seizing and things like that, which could potentially cause you a problem in the future. It's always good practice as well to check your stop tap every roughly about 6 months, just to make sure that it still moves freely, because the last thing you want is a seized stop tap in case of an emergency.